Hey everybody, Tom here from HID Projectors with the 957 Stage 2 HID upgrade for your Porsche Cayenne. I'm going to go through all the options here and show you guys exactly what you get with this setup, but here's a quick preview. You're going to get something really unique. So stick around, we're going to start from the beginning. Let's start by turning everything off. Stage 2 headlights start with a performance upgrade. That's the most important part here. Can't stress it enough. We take out the old Bi-Xenon projector in your Cayenne. We replace it with our high-performing Bi-Xenon projector and a fresh set of bulbs. The result is an 80%, more than an 80% improvement in light output. Brighter, crisper, whiter light, fresher cutoff, wider distribution, longer throw down road, better high beam, all of the things that you didn't even know you needed in your lights. These are truly amazing. You're going to have world-class output with this setup. So everything's going to work stock, no errors. Everything's plug and play with the bulb upgrade, and the results are phenomenal. So you don't have any errors, you don't have any issues installation. Your auto leveling motors still work. It's legitimately a plug and play swap. Everything is made to fit the exact specifications of the stock headlight system. So from there we go to aesthetics. Stage 2, you get a gloss black headlight. Of course, if you wanted a different color, we can work with you on that. If you wanted something that was to stay silver and chrome, we can do that too. Custom painting options are available. Just reach out to us and we'll quote you on that separately. The next thing you get is the Switchback rear angel eye that gets installed behind the shroud. That's what you saw in the beginning. This is a bright white daytime running light, and it also has a built-in turn signal. That's why it's called a Switchback. So when you use your turn signal, it'll actually blink amber along with your turn, and then when you're finished making your turn, they're going to automatically go back to white, just like that. So you can also set these to be amber all the time too. So if you like an amber daytime running light, you can have an amber daytime running light. If you choose that option, you cannot also have it blink. So it's amber or white. So if we go back to the white here, it automatically goes back to white. That's why it's called the Switchback. It's a really cool upgrade, modernizes the front end of your vehicle, and just looks really cool. So the next part is lens etching. You can look at that lens in the middle there and select using the drop-down menu whether or not you want us to add a custom logo into the lens. Sometimes we do like a honeycomb etch logo or a logo for a business or something that's near and dear and personal to you to truly make your ride unique. If you guys want to see some pictures of that, take a look at the other photos that are posted of our Cayenne and you'll see the honeycomb etch lens in that one. Next option is to choose the LED bulb upgrade option. That's going to replace your cornering light and your high beam with an LED bulb. Totally optional. You could keep your stock halogen lights in there. There's no problem with that. If you did want to upgrade to LED, we got you covered there too. Just use the drop-down menu to select yes or no. Last thing is the outside headlight lens. If you need a new fresh set of lenses, and you probably do if your Cayenne is more than 10 years old, right? We can do that for you. We can put a fresh new pair of lenses on it. We'll even do a courtesy ceramic polish on the lens. Everything will come out back to you looking like a fresh, brand new set of headlights. If you guys are interested, this is a headlight modification service, right? You have to send us your lights in. We'll modify your stock headlights to replace them with the performance parts that you want to make it perform unbelievably great at night and look even better. So total combination of form and function here. It's really a great option. If you have questions, you can reach out to us at sales@HIDprojectors.com or give us a call, 716-662-3479. We'd be happy to work with you to make sure you get exactly what you need. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.